Kubor nakaslab jong unongsan hima.
Kumampi yang itu step by step bila ngapain ini concern private vehicle owners so bahaya syak sitong terkesuka yang ini nilai discuss kan te kumampi impact kan kecil dia is ban min persen dan ban warna yang sangat normal sih kumampi kata kata jing anu ini suaka tambah ada kupor biji kertas pada kelompok ini ban sumarha daladi ban ngan yang sejisin kalau nilai banjada kumba kalau mentah haka percaya berkoi kadi vaccination kadi injection learning kadi kita ladani lakoi nama kumba kalau mentah ni lakoi 100% hadu 100% ke vaccination drive kemudian hadu mentah ke sini kalau kumba 100% tuna dia betul siap 100% tiga pasal mentah kalau some means another 50, around 54%. There's still a long way to go. But our team, joka health department, the department prepare haki block level, haki village level. Kaya kami trace tong belum bantu suatu ibu. Nara mau bikin tugas CCMT, COVID committee, management team, John Kishnong Lihat. Mentang dia persan katalah bantuan bijingit pay rengkat mati laki om yang vaccination laki om yang kapan lain penyakit pan bijing spread penyakit pan kumdong gila yang dia discuss amne atau priority bami hak pada prelan rengkat bagi di borsnong di bortau kumdong gila how you snap plan taken again step by step phase by phase. And we have asked the education department to give us the presentation, what is the modality for opening of schools or colleges or universities. That will be taken on in the next maybe few days or few weeks. In fact, I don't have any reaction. Why should I have the opposition? But let me just tell you from the government side, we are honest. We are here to make sure the safety of the citizens of the state. That is our priority. I don't listen whether you object it, whether you oppose it, whether you criticize it. We welcome all. But let me just tell you once again, team of health department, till today, they hardly sleep. Any person who just alleged that, I think please understand, don't demoralize or DHS, don't demoralize our doctors up to the PhD level, and then don't demoralize our nurses up to the sub-center level, and please don't demoralize our Asha Agamani who work so hard without sleep and just to criticize that the government has given up. I think that is not the end of the story. So I would request everybody, be it opposition, be it Congress, be it NPP, be it anybody, let us work jointly. And I'm here to accept the suggestions, views submitted by all concerned. We are here to listen, and we are here also to implement those suggestions submitted by different concerned stakeholders. Yeah, that's what I'm very good now up to the grassroots. Our focus is up to the grassroots, up to each and every village, be it big or be it small. We wanted to, to complete 100% of vaccination. That is our intention. If we can complete 100% vaccination, I'm telling you, we are free. I think the restriction will be no more there. In fact, it is both. It is both, not necessarily only in rural area, but even in urban area, there are hesitancy. Why not? But from the government side, we are trying our best to make sure that this kind of fear psychosis, this kind of hesitancy is removed from the mindset of the citizens. You see, in fact, the target for the next few weeks, say up to the end of September, we would like to achieve